Alright guys, it's delivery day for drywall. It's kind of how we have it set up. I come down here. I got 12 footers, so they're gonna have to come down here, through here, then back through here and bring them in. And I'll probably just get them to lean them up somewhere. Still got to do the measurements for the lights. Finished all the electrical. These are the pot lights. I have the extra staples to get the wires secured better. I just didn't have any the other day, or my nailer won't go in there. All right, so that's about it. Hey, babe. Where's your little girl? All right, guys. So they're just they're done with the 12s. I forgot to hit the record button, but they're gonna be bringing down the 8s now. Putting them over this way. I'm going to measure for lights when they're gone. I got a couple little things I have to do. Then drywall starts Monday. That's exciting. Kind of puts a finish on everything. So yeah, I'm just going to be measuring out. I'll put you on time lapse or something when they get back.
It's better to have enough, especially if you have someone coming to install it.
Well, I'll be here too, but I just use the numbers he gives me.
Yeah.
I'll do small things, but I won't do something that's just too big.
Alright.
And he'll get it done in a week. Yeah.
Well, sweet, man. Alright, thanks for doing business with you.
Yeah, man. Appreciate you guys.
No worries.
Alright guys, there you go. Drywall's in. I have the screws, paper tape, I got the mud. Brought my staples. Here's some corner bead. 12 foots, 8 foots. These were really close. I only know because I live next door. When I did mine, I was able to get 12s down here, so it's kind of cattywampus like. This part's not the issue. It's up there. It's that little corner. We had to bend it pretty good, but it fit, so that's good. I have all my measurements for my lights. I'm just gonna button up all this electrical, get it secured properly. I have the measurements for it. I think I just said that. Wow. Yeah, so it's getting exciting for me because you kind of see what it's gonna look like. And these windows, I always finish the windows with wood, never MDF. I know some people use MDF, but for a window in a basement, and you know, just condensation and moisture. It'll never last. There's another one. So yeah, right next to it. Let's go through with a fine-tooth comb, get that all done, and then I'll be off. I won't be coming back here Friday, which is tomorrow. Jeez. Better. Wow. I'll come back Monday, and drywall starters then. The drywall starts then. So for now, yeah, I'm just gonna patch up what I can, and wait for Monday, I guess. I have to go to Kitchener to look at a job too for a homeowner. It's a pretty long drive for what he needs done, but I can do that during the week, Tuesday or Wednesday, when the drywaller's here. So just trying to stay busy now, keep my body moving. I'm feeling a lot better. Ever since my surgery, I've it's like night and day, the things I can lift and everything else, but I just can't lift anything too heavy right now. But yeah, I'm getting back to it, feeling good. It's been a long time since I felt the way I do, I'll tell you that. So worthwhile, a month or two or whatever, however long it takes for me to feel better. I think I'm better now, but you know, Ashley, no.
You have to wait 2-3 months.
But we all know guys are guys, and work has to be done. I'm not going to jeopardize myself or what I've been through to go back to square one. So yeah, we'll start on this and get back to you. Get it. All right, and that should be it. All right, guys, I'm just going to button up the electrical side of things. Brought my staples. So yeah, once I'm done that, I guess I'll bring you back, give you one last little rundown of everything, and yeah, when I'm done, I'll be gone till, well, from this job anyway. I got a couple of videos that are coming before that of the turn in London, so they'll be up before you see this. Yeah, get it.
Fireflies in the sky.